In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams application, whether you're using it on your desktop or on your Android device. Give it a moment to load fully, and you'll be ready to make some changes. Once you're in, look for the three dots near your profile icon at the top of the screen. It's usually situated right next to your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This will bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you want to select the Settings option. This will take you to your account configuration page, where you can tailor your experience to suit your needs. On the left side toolbar of the Settings page, you will see various options. Click on Appearance and Accessibility. This section allows you to customize how Microsoft Teams looks and feels for you. Now, to change your language settings, you'll need to scroll down until you find the Language tab. This should be relatively straightforward, and it's typically located towards the bottom of the Appearance and Accessibility settings. When you find the Language tab, click on it. This will reveal a drop-down list that contains all the available languages for the Microsoft Teams interface. Here's the fun part. From that drop-down list, you can select the specific language you would like to use. This could be anything from Spanish to French, or even a language of your choosing that helps you work more efficiently. After you make your selection, don't forget to look for the Save and Restart button. This is important because in order to apply the changes you just made, you'll need to click this button. Once you do, the application will restart automatically, and the new language settings will take effect. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the language in Microsoft Teams. Make sure to navigate through the application to check how everything appears in your newly selected language, ensuring that it aligns with your preferences. This simple adjustment can greatly enhance your experience with the platform, making it easier for you to communicate and collaborate with your team. So remember, if you ever need to change the language again, these steps will guide you right back to the solution. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to change the language in Microsoft Teams. I hope you find this information helpful as you navigate the platform. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to subscribe and like for more helpful tutorials in the future. Happy teaming!